Hello students, welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to teach you exercise 8E of chapter number 8. Name of the chapter is fraction second. So let us start the video. So question first says Anju's mother bought two pieces of cheese. One weighs 7 upon 8 kg and the other weighing 6 upon 8 of a kg. So how many kilogram did the two pieces weigh together? So you will write weight WEIGH. Okay, weight of first piece is equal to write 7 upon 8 of a kg, and weight of second piece is equal to 6 upon 8 of a kg. So the total weight is equal to 7 upon 8 plus 6 upon 8 of a kg. So now add 7 upon 8 and 6 upon 8. 8, both the denominators are same. So the LCM is 8, 7 plus 6 of a kg. So 7 plus 6 is 13 upon 8 of a kg. And this is your answer. Okay, this is the answer of the first part. Now in the same way, we will do question number 3. Question 3 says Lily spent 2 whole 1 upon 3 hours studying and 1 whole 1 upon 3 playing games. What the total number of hours spent on studying and playing? So write hours spent on studying is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 3 and hours spent on playing is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 3. So now total hours, so we have to add both of them, 2 whole 1 upon 3 plus 1 whole 1 upon 3. Change the mixed fraction into improper. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3, and 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 4 upon 3. So now write 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4 is 11 upon 3 hours, and this is the answer. So you will write total hours is equal to 11 upon 3 hours, or you can convert it into improper. How? Divide 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 carry. So 3 whole 2 upon 3 hours. Okay. This is the answer. Now question 5. So question 5 says Mary painted 1 upon 2 of table. Jane painted 1 upon 4 of a table. How much of the table did the girls paint? So write table painted by Mary is equal to 1 upon 2, and table painted by Jane is equal to 1 by 4. So total fraction of table painted by girls is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. Now what is the LCM of 2 and 4? If you find the LCM, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1, 1. So 2 twos are 4. LCM is 4. So write 4 here. When you will divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 1 plus 4, ones are 4, 1 multiplied by 1. So 2 plus 1, okay, upon 4. So the answer is 3 upon 4 of table. This is the answer of the question number 5. Now let us do the question 7 of this exercise. It says Babita has 2 whole 1 upon 3 meter of blue ribbon and 1 upon 2 meter of red ribbon. How much blue and red ribbon does she have? So it means that the question is asking what is the total length of the ribbon that she have. So write length of blue ribbon is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 3 meter. Now write length of red ribbon is equal to 1 upon 2 meter. So total length of ribbon is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. So it will be 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. Now take the LCM of 3 and 2. So what is the LCM of 3 and 2? Find out the LCM 3 and 2. So first reduce by 2, 3 as it is, 2 ones are 2. Now reduce by 3, 1, 1. So 3 2s are 6. So the LCM is 6. Now divide 6 by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 2 into 7. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. Plus, now divide 6 by 2. 2 threes are 6. So 3 multiply by 1. 3 ones are 3. So 14 plus 3 is 17 upon 6 meter is the answer. Okay, 17 upon 6 is your answer. Now let me tell you the question number 9. So question 9 says Disha spent 3 upon 8 hours studying English and mathematics. She spends 1 upon 12 of hour studying in English. How long did she spend studying mathematics? Okay, so total hours for English and mathematics is given. So Disha spent time in English and maths is equal to 3 upon 8, and only English time in only English is equal to 1 upon 12. So time, we have to find how much time did she spend in mathematics only. Time in maths is equal to 3 upon 8 means total time minus time in English. So what is the LCM of 8 and 12? 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. Now 2 1s are 2, 3, and now reduce by 3, so you'll get 1 comma 1. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. You'll get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM is 24. Now divide 24 by 8. 8 3s are 24. So 3 should be multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus, when you will divide 24 by 12, you will get 2. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 upon 24 hours is the answer. So she spends 7 upon 24 hours in mathematics. Is it clear? So all the questions which have been explained in this video, you have to do all these questions in your copy. Thank you everyone.